What's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday, Memorial Day weekend if you're in the US. People are out today. I just rode past a whole bunch of people either doing yard work or just hanging out. I am on my way to grab 2 coffees because we're just about out of coffee at the house. Yeah, it's a beautiful, gorgeous day. Coffee place, and it looks like there's some sort of movie or music video going down here. They just had the camera out and there was some dialogue. Oh, and there's lights too, look.
Sometimes life gets tough, makes you wanna give up, keep going, going, going. When times get too hard, and your dreams feel so far, keep going, 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 going.
Hey!
Hello!
How you doing today?
I'm doing well! Is this for me? How sweet. Thank you.
So this is what's going on right now. It's Sunday afternoon, we're in the middle of an air show. We've seen them in the past 3 or 4 days fly low just above the roof of the house. And they did it twice today, even once when I gave Steph the coffee a little while ago. But I've been out here 20 minutes. We've been out here. Nothing. We can hear them in the distance, but you can see them. We can hear them too. I sort of got it. I got half of it. Very, very fast, but there were 5 of them. Yeah, that's probably it.
I would say that's the show. How was that? Was that scary, Maggie?
Are you doing okay?
Are you alright?
I know, it's really loud. Give her lots of love, Ma.
Oh, it's okay.
The vlog from yesterday is uploaded. And for the first time together, Steph and I in the studio, in our new house in Miyuki, we're gonna do yoga together. This is gonna be pretty cool.
We are doing beginner yoga because Richard has never done yoga with me and I'm still a beginner. And I found this YouTuber named Adrian. It's Yoga with Adrian, and she does really great, easy to do yoga routines.
Sounds fun.
This is a great sequence for you. You don't need any blocks, you don't need any blankets. All you need is your body and an open mind. If you have a mat, that's great, but otherwise, open mind, open heart. So let's get started.
First dual yoga session down with your hubby. How'd it feel?
Felt good. I enjoy doing yoga. I want to be like the old lady who's really flexible. And I'm not very flexible right now, so it's good exercise.
Got some good news, guys. See this brand new wood here? This. Mike dropped this off Friday, and I didn't even see it yesterday when I was out here digging. but he sent me a text message and he recommends that we stick it in the garage in case it rains. And hopefully this week we're gonna put it up right here and on the inside too. All right, you guys, we are out on a bike ride. Steph's first major bike ride other than the test drive. Move this car coming. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right. Ooh, that was close. You okay? We made it to High Falls. We've been chilling, taking some video footage, some fun clips and photos. Steph said she saw a guy swimming under the waterfall when we first pulled up, and I didn't see him, but that's illegal. And there must have definitely been a guy swimming down there because the ambulance is here now. You don't have to give your address, do you? This shouldn't have to, does it?
You don't want to, no.
All right.
It's just helpful that I can say, yes,
All right.
I got this from a person.
Apparently somebody did jump in because he's asking the police officer here if we saw somebody jump in. Major operation going on here, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I just tried to leave and he was like, you can't leave. So
Wait,
maybe
you tried
I
to
can
go
now.
which way? That way?
No, I was just trying to go that way.
We stopped into the Genesee Brewery restaurant and bar, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what this is because it's my first time here. It looks really nice and new though, doesn't it?
It does. It looks really snazzy.
Yeah.
I'm a little off right now.
Yeah, she thinks she just witnessed somebody die, which I don't think that's what happened, but it could have. And so we just locked the bikes up and take a load off for a minute here. This was the closest place. It's gonna be okay. how do they taste?
Go ahead, John. John. Sit here.
It's like the perfect melding of my childhood and yours. An Asian-inspired peanut meatball with coleslaw. Richard got mashed potato balls and a cream sauce. I don't know, what did you get?
You guys, we're halfway home right now at the top of a hill pushing stuff, but it's good. She just went in front of me. I think I can catch her. You guys, we just had a super intense bike ride back home. It's not flat. I am so proud of you.
It was like uphill the entire way back.
That's not true, but it's like 70% uphill.
And like 20% really bad sidewalk. My butt hurt so bad.
I will ride bikes with this girl any day.
Aw, thanks, babe.
I'm not just saying that.
I'm glad you enjoyed yourself.
I'm glad that you and I are united. We're gonna ride some bikes. We're gonna definitely ride some bikes this summer. Oh, it just feels good to be home. Thanks for watching, you guys. Fist bump that like button for Steph just owning the bike. Oh, there it is. And thanks for watching. That's it. We're out of here. Hasta luego.
Bye.
What do we got here?
That's some chai for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Smells really good too. I can smell it from here.